Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is for these geometric minimalist earrings. To make the earrings, you will need two pieces of 18 gauge half hard brass wire at 5 inches each to make the head pins, or you can use head pins that you've purchased. I'm going to hammer 0.5 inch of the wire flat. Once I've done that, I'm using a Swiss hammer to add texture to the end, and this is not a must. You can skip this part if you would like to. And once I've done that, I go back in with a jeweler's file and I smooth the end. I'm going to place the head pin aside for now, and then I'm going to move on to make a bead from a rubber tube. So I have already cut one, and this is what it looks like, and you will need two pieces. Also, your tube does not have to be the exact same size or color. You will also need two large beads. I'm using 10mm faceted beads, and the larger the bead is for this design, the better it looks. To connect the pieces, ensure that the head pin is straightened, then add your bead followed by the tube. Ensure that the bead and the tube are sitting very close to each other with no space between. Place the flat nose plier on top of the tube. Ensure that there's no space between the plier and the tube. Then bend the wire towards your right and reposition the plier. Then bend down the end of the wire. To make the other earring, bend the wire towards your left and measure the earrings against each other, then cut the excess wire. And if you prefer your wire to be long, you can leave the earrings as they are. What I've done, I've cut 0.5 inch from these. After that, I smooth the end of the earrings, and then I go in with my hammer and bench block to gently hammer to add extra strength. So that is it for this tutorial. Also, don't forget to clean and polish your handmade pieces before you wear them or before you sell them. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.